Y'all know my new friend by now, Lisa Clapp from North Carolina, and she's got one more recipe to share with us, y'all. And I adore this recipe. My niece Kari makes a wonderful fresh corn salad, and I'm assuming it's very close to what she does. I can see by the ingredients it's not exactly alike, but she's going to share with us how she does it. So Lisa,
tell us about where we can find you, because as you've told us in some of the other
gotcha.
videos that you've got.
You can find me always. I started my blog on Facebook, so it's cooking, cutting up, keeping it real on Facebook in your search bar.
all right, say it one more time.
Cooking, cutting up, and keeping it real. It's all C's and no G's.
Okay, like
cooking instead of cooking, cutting instead of cutting.
Okay, yeah.
Or you can Google search. I also have a website. It's cooking, cutting up. I can't ever remember.
We don't use websites very much anymore.
I cannot ever remember. That's terrible, isn't it?
No, honey, I'm with you.
Well, here's what I can tell you. Being a wife of a farmer for 31 years, okay? I had to learn to do some tricks with some of this stuff that they grow, right?
Yes.
So corn, okay? We grow corn where we're from, okay? So, it gets kind of boring with just cooking the corn, and this is white corn.
That looks like Silver Queen.
Which is my people favorite. Love that. So I like to kind of figure out how to do some different stuff, right? So
that
what
is
I've done, I love corn, and we love it any way you want to fix it.
Me too.
Right. So what I did, I had 4 shucks of corn. I put them in the microwave. In a microwave. I microwave
in the shuck.
In the shuck. Just out of the field. Don't touch it. Put it right in the microwave. 2 minutes per ear. Okay. And then take that out and let it cool. Let it cool enough that you can handle it. And then I shucked them and threw the shucks
and the
away.
silks fall out easily.
Silks fall off so much easier.
So and that is a wonderful tip, y'all.
It is. And people ask me about it all the time, and I'm like, when you have to do it, you learn it.
Lisa, if you did multiple, like if you put 2 or 3 ears in at one time, how long would you microwave it?
Well,
2 minutes per corn.
2 minutes per
so
ear
4
is
minutes.
what I usually say, but I don't put over 2 in my microwave because I want it to cook evenly, so I do 2 ears at a time.
And you cook it for 4 minutes?
I do. I'll do it 3 to 4 minutes, and it depends on how your microwave cooks.
And it really probably depends on how big your corn is.
It definitely
Because some of them can be like this, and some of them can be like that.
Absolutely. I like to freeze it just like that too. I put it right in a freezer bag, fresh out of the field, and then freeze it, deep freeze it, and then I take it out and we put it in the microwave like that, or we'll put it on the grill. But that's personal preference.
All right, now you freeze it.
I do.
In the husk, in the silk, everything.
That's correct.
Well, Lisa, when I was in my late 20s, and we had a garden, and putting up corn, cream corn, was the hardest job I've ever done. You have to have this much corn to make this much corn.
That's right.
And it's one of the hardest vegetables to put up.
I agree.
So you're telling me I can go get me some fresh corn,
straight out,
put it in bags.
That's right.
Freezer bags.
That's
and
right.
throw it in the freezer.
That's right.
And then pull it out, thaw it, put it on the grill.
That's right.
Or cut the kernels off and have corn. Or I can grate it and have cream corn.
Yes.
Or I can put it in boiling water and have just a balled corn on the cob.
Exactly.
Y'all, that is incredible information.
Yeah.
I've been so out of touch with gardens and things like that. You know, we used to work in that garden, and I think I was going to die.
Oh, gosh.
But
and it's a lot of work.
Oh, I had so much fun. I was with my grandmother and we were making pickles. And
absolutely.
It was hard work, but it was fun.
And there's nothing that tastes any better.
No.
There's nothing.
No.
So what I did...
What all does your husband grow? Excuse me.
Oh, no. He grows tobacco.
Tobacco.
That's our #1 cash crop in North Carolina.
I finally quit smoking.
Good for you. But it's still tobacco is the most, it is.
North Carolina.
In North Carolina.
Carolinas.
That's right, in North Carolina. He grows soybeans, corn, straw, Milo.
Straw?
Yeah, like, people that are landscapers and they buy straw to put in your yard.
Pine straw? Is it
No, it's like wheat straw.
Okay.
And then sometimes he grows Milo, and Milo is something that is a ingredient in dog food.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
so interesting.
Yeah.
So interesting. I could talk to you all afternoon.
Yeah.
And when you get through with this recipe, we're going to do just that.
We are. I can't wait. I can't
So
wait.
get going.
All right, this one I love it because there's no mayonnaise, and so if you have a
4
cookout or
ears,
whatever,
4 ears of
four
corn.
ears of corn. Okay, put that in there, and I cut it off. Now I did one red bell pepper, one red pepper. You could use green pepper, but green pepper doesn't agree with me always.
It
Okay,
does.
it
Well,
does.
the red is sweeter than the green.
Yes.
I like red bell pepper too.
And it makes it
I
so
got
pretty.
some things to do in the kitchen, so I'm just going to be pooting around
Okay, well you
in
go
here,
on
and
do
I'm
that.
listening to every word you say.
All right, you put it around and I'll get with this. I've
Okay.
also got a seedless cucumber that we've just cubed, washed it, and I like the skins on. I'm gonna dump that in there. Okay, and then I also used about a half of a medium-sized Vidalia onion. And I'm gonna put that in there. And this salad, you can do what you want to do with it. If you don't like onions, don't put onions in it. You could put jalapeno peppers if you like jalapeno peppers, okay?
That's right. Make it your own.
Make it your own. So, Miss Paula, here's what I
Yes,
did
darling.
with this
Uh-huh.
dressing.
What's in there?
I
Vinegar
went
and
for a
olive.
shopping trip in
Oh,
your
good.
pantry, okay?
Good.
I used a little bit of olive oil.
Uh-huh.
I used a little bit of this balsamic vinegar
Uh-huh.
because we like to use what we got.
Yes, right.
I did just a dub of this
Okay.
red.
I like
did-
red wine vinegar.
I did just a dub, and then I put a teaspoon of this.
Oh, my peach preserves.
Yeah, because I wanted a little something sweet.
Those are wonderful.
We just needed something sweet, salty, just like
And I
you
love,
know.
we carry these in the store, y'all. And for people traveling out of town and just want to take a little memento.
Exactly. They're
Uh,
wonderful.
I'm going to see if I got some to give you.
But now I need you to put your finger in there.
Okay.
Just see if I put a little salt and a little pepper. Tell me what it needs. Oh, and I squeezed the lemon too.
Mm-hmm.
I got a lemon in there.
All right, you stick your finger in it. Because I feel like all I got was olive.
Oh, you know what? Let's stir
What?
this baby up. Let's stir it up.
Uh-huh.
Let's try it again.
Okay.
Better?
Yeah, it don't need nothing but my teeth.
All right, I'm gonna put this over here. And here's the pretty thing
Yeah,
about
scrape
this.
out all that goody
Yep.
stuff.
Not only is this pretty and tasty, but if by chance you're gonna leave this out for a cookout, you ain't got to worry about no safety as far as
Yeah.
mayonnaise, sour cream.
Yes.
And look how beautiful.
It's beautiful.
And you know what?
Now, you don't have tomatoes in there, do you?
No, but you could put them in here for sure.
Ooh, some little cherry tomatoes.
Yes, you could make this so many different ways. But now you got to taste this because I need an expert opinion.
Look. Look what I'm going to use to taste
Do it. Do it. How is it? Is it slap your grandma good? Is it Paula worthy? It's Paula worthy.
I love. Did you bring that corn from your field?
They shop for it here. They did. But if you come to my house this time of year, we'll have you some fresh corn.
This is so good.
I love it.
I'm double dipping.
And delicious and economic. I mean, it's not an expensive dish, right? And beautiful. Can you see how beautiful that is?
I love the glory of this is
So good.
all the different things you can do with it.
This would be good beside a fish, pork, or just as a snack. I would just
Be
bowl this
great
up and
at
eat.
a fish fry.
I cannot thank you enough for having me down here in your kitchen, on your show.
Lisa, it's my son's kitchen.
Oh, that's right. I forgot. Are we going to get to see his pretty face?
If you don't come visit me when I move into my house,
I would
we're
love
down to like 8 days.
I would love it.
I don't know if we're gonna make it, y'all.
I would love it, but I've had so much fun doing these
How long has it been
recipes.
since we've seen each other? It's
3 years.
Oh, get out. Get out.
Yeah, at Myrtle Beach, at the book
It's been
signing.
3 years.
It has. It has.
Well, I just love you to pieces.
I just love
And
it,
all
too.
my friends out there that are not aware of you, they're gonna fall in love with you too.
Well, you are so sweet, and I just appreciate it. I can't thank you enough. I really
I got
can't.
corn all in my teeth.
I think I got corn in my teeth too, but I got some floss. We'll floss
Oh, I
after
got
this.
floss. I keep floss.
Girl, yes.
Love y'all. Love
See
and
y'all.
best wishes from Georgia and North Carolina.
That's right. See ya.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.